Hey guys, it's Mike at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, and if you're looking for an inexpensive way to keep warm this winter, I've got just the thing for you right underneath this sheet. Find out what it is coming up. Hey guys, it's Mike at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, and today we're at the greenhouse putting out some orders when Erica came to me and she said,
"Boss, can we get some heat up in here? It's cold."
So I said, no problem, because we have the perfect solution for just a little bit of heat if you need it in that pinch. So I'm gonna have my son Evan come and do the big reveal of what's behind this sheet. Evan? So here it is, the Mr. Heat propane tank top heater. I just love these. We bought these last year and we used them, and when it was very cold last year, they helped out in a pinch. And I just love propane itself because it's a product that's good to like -40 below. So love the propane, and we really love this Mr. Heat tabletop propane heater. And this thing puts out a ton of heat, up to 45,000 BTU. So a lot of heat in here. We're gonna get this thing assembled so we can get in there and we can get some heat inside that greenhouse. So let's open one of these and see what we got. That right there. Okay, oh, very nice. See how it's packed in there. It's got your nice instructions. It's got, that's how it comes. And, you know, pretty durable cord. So now I'm gonna go ahead and assemble. As you can see, I brought an extra attachment. This is a gauge that lets me know if my propane level is getting low. You don't need to have this attachment. I suggest you pick one up because it really lets you know when you're getting short on propane. And you never wanna run out of propane, especially when it's -6 outside. Put this back here, tighten screw. This screws clockwise. I like to make it nice and tight. Now on this side right here, you can adjust if you want it off, if you want it low, medium, or high setting. Right here, I'm gonna open the propane to on, let the propane come through. So now I'm gonna press down on the red button and hold it for a couple of seconds while I light up here. So now it's lit, and I'm holding it for a couple of seconds, probably 30 seconds or so. Let the propane run through, and this thing should almost be red hot or glowing red. Oh my God, do you see it turning red? This is my thermal leak detector, and it'll tell us exactly how hot this is right now. That is so hot, I can barely even stand by this. We're gonna take this inside. Erica's gonna be warm, and I'll see you in the next video.